Hello, so in this video I will tell you how to install WordPress on GoDaddy domain. So here is the domain that I purchased recently, and I have not made any changes in it, like no DNS changes or something like that. So here is my web hosting. So now I am going to add my domain, this domain, into my web hosting. So you can see there are already some domains present in my web hosting. So I am going to add another domain and install WordPress in it. So this is the domain name. I will copy it and I will go to manage. So here you can see one WordPress is already installed on a domain, and I am going to add another website here. So here I will have to write my domain name. So we can paste the domain name that we copied, and if you want to create a separate FTP account, you can enable this option, but I am not going to create a separate FTP account, and so I am just going to click on add website. So here you can see we have successfully added this domain. So I can click on back, and now you can see here we have another domain name. So now we can go to install application and install new application into the domain. So here you can see the cPanel. We can install WordPress from here. So let's find the WordPress icon. So here is the WordPress. We will click on it, install this application. So here we will select the domain name that we want to use for the website. So we are going to use this domain, and here we don't want to use any directory, because directory is like when we type the domain and then we, after the slash, we have to type the directory name to access the website. So it will be like this link, so we don't need the directory. So we can just access the WordPress installation from this URL. So we can scroll down. So here we don't have to change any option. So here we have to set up our username and our password for the WordPress installation. So I'm going to change the username, and I'm going to set up a strong password. So here you have to type in your email. So here will be the site title. So I'm going to paste the domain name over here and remove the .org. And here I don't want to use the tagline, so I will just remove it. So here I do not want to limit the login attempts, so I will click on no. And now we can click on install. Save. And here you can see the installation is under process, and here we can access the WordPress from this link. So here you can see now we can select any starter template if we want, but I don't want to select, so I will click on exit to WordPress dashboard. So here you can see WordPress installed. So now we can install the SSL certificate to make this secure. So we will go to plugins, add new, and here we have to search for really simple SSL. So here we will install this plugin, activate. Activate SSL, go to dashboard, and now we have to type our username and the password. remember me and login. So here you can see the SSL is installed, and we can see this lock button which says the connection is secure. So it means that the SSL is installed. We can now visit the website to see the hello world. So here you can see the hello world, and we have our WordPress ready to create the website. So if you want to create a website, you can go to my playlists, and here you can go to complete WordPress website tutorials, and here we have several playlists to create a real estate website, e-commerce website, freelance marketplace, startup website, or architecture and interior website. So if you want to create any website, you can watch these videos to create your own website, and let me know in the comment section if you need another video on complete WordPress website tutorial. So I will create a separate video on that. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.